You want to learn AWS courses? Well, here's 7 best AWS courses online, free, plus paid. First course, Introduction to AWS 1-hour crash course by Udemy. This course is designed to help you learn the basic concepts as well as the benefits of AWS. Topics covered are: how to sign up, AWS console, AWS use cases, create an S3 bucket, AWS versus other cloud providers, common AWS services. You will understand the basic terminology of Amazon Web Services. You will learn the applications of Amazon Web Services. You will learn about the commonly used Amazon Web Services. You will learn to use Amazon Web Services free tier. You will learn all about the Amazon Web Services console. The course is for every person who wants to get started with the concepts of AWS. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Second course, AWS Essentials Hands-on Learning by Udemy. This course is designed to teach you crucial topics with demos. Topics covered are: AWS Fundamentals, AWS Storage Services, AWS Computer Services and Load Balancer, AWS Databases, AWS Application Services, AWS Network Services. You will learn the fundamentals of Amazon Web Services. You will learn to use the services of AWS. You will learn how data gets stored in AWS. You will learn all about the AWS networking. You will learn the computer services of AWS. The course is for anyone who needs to learn about AWS. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Third course, the AWS Course Updated 2023 by Udemy. The course is designed to understand you all about Amazon Web Services and DevOps. If you want to learn about DevOps, click on the I button. Topics covered are: AWS Console Walkthrough, AWS IAM, AWS CLI Setup, Networking and DNS, Compute Offerings, Amazon S3, Management Services and Security Services, Orchestration Services, Database Offerings, Storage and Migration Services, Analytics and Application and ML Services, DevOps and Serverless, Real-World Scenarios, Terraform LAAC. You will gain information about networking used in AWS. You will learn about the management and security services used in AWS. You will learn about the analytics used in AWS. You will learn the AWS console. You will get to know about the computer offerings of AWS. The course is for everyone who wants to learn about AWS, be it students or professionals. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fourth course, AWS Fundamentals Specialization by Coursera. This specialization teaches you all about Amazon Web Services, including its features, benefits, and capabilities. Topics covered are: AWS Cloud Technical Essentials, AWS Fundamentals, Addressing Security Risk, AWS Fundamentals, Migrating to the Cloud, AWS Fundamentals, Building Serverless Applications. You will grasp knowledge about the basic concepts of AWS. You will learn about AWS security measures. You will learn to differentiate between different AWS services. You will learn about the storage offerings. You will get to know the database of Amazon Web Services. The course is for masses having passion to learn about Amazon Web Services. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fifth course, Introduction to AWS Identity and Access Management by Coursera. This course enables you to learn the major skills of AWS. Topics covered are: Identity and Access Management. What is AWS IAM, IAM User, and IAM Group, IAM Role, IAM Policy, Policy Creator, and Generator Demo, IAM Permissions. What is AWS STS, Lambda Intro, Lambda Roles, Monitoring IAM Activity with CloudTrail. You will learn AWS from the basic level. You will learn about the identity and access management of AWS. You will learn the role of IAM. You will be able to understand the IAM policy. You will know how to monitor IAM activity with CloudTrail. The course is for each one of you wanting to learn about AWS. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Sixth course, AWS Beginner's Course by Edureka, free course. This online free course gives you a comprehensive guide to learn all about AWS, from the basic to the advanced level. Topics covered are: Cloud Computing. What is AWS? What is E2C? How to create E2C, AWS Lambda, end-to-end AWS solution, Virtual Private Cloud, NAT Gateway, VPC peering. You will be able to grasp knowledge of cloud computing. You will learn about the architecture of global networks. You will come to know the wide range of functionality of AWS. You will learn about AWS Lambda. You will be able to understand E2C. The course is for all of you who are interested in learning AWS from a beginner's level without paying. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. 7th course, Amazon Web Services, Basic by Allison, free course. This course is designed to provide you complete knowledge of AWS just from the beginner's level. Topics covered are services and support, creation, security, and best practices, net and content delivery, storage, and object life cycles, E2C. You will be able to know the history of AWS. You will learn to create and set up an account in AWS. You will learn about the best practices of IAM. You will get to know about various functions of AWS. You will learn about the AWS content delivery. The course is for anyone, especially students wanting to learn AWS from a free platform. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.